What is up? I am doing a video today that I've been wanting to do for a long time. About a year, not too long, and that is, I'll show you in just a sec. So what I've been wanting to do for a while is fish a golf course, but I didn't just want to fish it, I wanted to golf it and fish it. So that is what I'm doing right now. Played one hole so far, didn't go too bad. So playing this other hole, I'm right by the pond. So once I get up to the green, I'm going to throw on a Senko or something, see if I can get a bite. It's gonna be really fun. So I got my reel hidden within my clubs, and I got the sexy golf cart. Let's do it. All right. I'm trying to land this guy on the green so I can finish this hole up quick and toss in a line before the group behind me gets to me. Good for a shot. All right. I came here on a Wednesday hoping no one would be out here. But of course, there's a ton of people out here. Overshot just a little bit. It's all good. All right. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. I peered over to the pond and I already saw a little bass, so I am stoked. I just wish there weren't so many groups behind me, so I'll see if I can get my pole set up real quick and toss out there before I have to go to the next hole.
You saw a bass in there?
Yeah.
It wasn't good sign. Good luck.
Throwing my two hobbies together. There you go.
That's awesome. Yeah. That's freaking awesome.
Alright, gotta hurry and toss this Senko out before these guys get. Alright, let's do this. Where's that little guy? There he is. There's a little baby. Little baby eating it. Eat it, eat it. Oh, come on. This one. Got him. Got him. I got one. I did it. Oh my God, I freaking did it. That is awesome. Golfing and fishing. All right, bud. Thanks for biting. I appreciate that. Yes. Now I can play the rest of my game. Weird looks for having a GoPro on while golfing, but you know what? I'm young, innovative. New things, future. Other words. Been out here for an hour though, and it's like I'm on hole 3. I got 6 more to go. But the other ones won't distract me because it's actually golfing. Oh! there's a few groups going through. I just parred this hole, just a par 5. So I'm feeling good about that, so I'm just gonna let some groups play through as I fish around for a little bit. It's really hard to cast this thing because the handle's super short. Man, it's windy. Oh, I just got bit. Oh, man. Oh, there's one. That's a bluegill. Probably what's been biting me. Oh, there's a good one. Boom. Number 2. On the Stanko. See you there, bud. Regardless of the size, it's awesome. I've never fished a golf course. I know they're popular for fishing among the YouTubes, but we don't really have, at least in Eugene, there's not a whole lot of places that have ponds that hold any fish. Ooh. Putting that club away. Let's go golf. This looks like a hole where you lose the ball. It's probably going to be a hole where I lose a ball. All right. Nope. That's a good shot. On the green. Ooh! Yes! And to prove I'm not lying, I'm gonna keep the GoPro on until I get over there. Yeah, buddy. Not a bad placement. All right. Let's go for birdie. Oh, yes, birdie. Catching fish and doing good in golf. Couldn't ask for a better day. I don't want to film with this right now, but I did leave my nicer camera battery at home, so that's gonna have to do. But so I fished the first pond over by hole 2, 16, and 3, which I'm trying to get a view. So I was right there. So now I'm on hole 8. So that's the last pond. I'm gonna try that one. It's a little smaller. It's a lot smaller actually. So we'll see if I can tag just one bass out of there. But so far, 2 fish, and my game's going good. I've got par 3 times and a birdie, and I'm not great at golf, but good enough to keep up with some people. So let's get back to it and see if I can catch a fish. Grabbing my last ball sleeve of balls, just in case. Alright. Go with this club. It's my favorite club. Alright, so this is the last pond I got to fish. Got no one behind me so far, so that's good. Not sure if there's any fish in this pond, but we'll see. Gotta find my ball first, because I can fish while I look. This pond is far dirtier. Alright, back over here. Got the Senko back on. Tossing out one more time before I have to leave. I don't want to be too long because I gotta give this cart back. I've been out here longer than I should. Holy crap, this wind needs to stop. There's one. Oh, we got off. So I didn't want to end the video just yet. That was the first golf cart. Now I'm at a different one. I don't have a cart this time. I have my push cart. I know there might be some bass in this pond here, so I decided to give it a try. I also was dumb and didn't bring the other battery for this camera, so I didn't get all the shots I wanted. So I came here to play another 9. This course is a lot closer to my house, so it's like 5 minutes away instead of 30. So popped over here, playing a quick 9, get some shots I want, hopefully catch like maybe one bass, I don't know. If not, no big deal. Golfing, trying to beat the dark, rain's coming in, so gotta have some fun on the last nice day. Having to finish this hole. YouTube channel.
You got a YouTube channel?
Yeah, man. I went to get my ball out of the water, and I saw a little bit bass cruising around right when I was about to stick my ball grabber out there, and threw out a Senko, and he ate it off the first time and threw it out one more time and hooked him in front of some dudes that I went to high school with. So that's pretty cool. Gave him one of my Northwest fishing balls so they can find the channel. I'm gonna toss around a little bit more, see if I can get another fish. Ooh. Oh, oh my God, that was so cool. No, that was my last Senko. No. Found one last Senko. I'm gonna get this bass. Got him. Oh, it's a good one. Oh, he's a lot bigger. He's a lot bigger than I thought. Oh God. He's a lot bigger. No, we got off. Oh, why'd I grab the fucking camera? That was a 5-pounder. Oh. That was a good fish. Why did I grab the stupid camera? Oh, I knew doing that was a I knew that was a mistake. Well, I got bit a bunch by that guy. Hooked him finally. I think that was a female. That was about a 4-pounder. That sucks. Well, that really hurts. That does not feel good. Moral of the story, you catch big bass, focus on the fish, don't go for the stupid camera. I've done that so many times. Oh my gosh, that is frustrating. That was maybe a 4-pounder. That was a good female, fat female. Oh. Well, that sucks. hopefully her attention span isn't too long and I can come back this week and land her, because that really hurts. That was really dumb of me. I knew she was gonna come off. Oh, alright. Well, on that note, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I might not end it, I might come back and try to catch that fish this week and then edit this video. But if that doesn't happen, like I said, I really hope you enjoyed. I had a lot of fun filming this today, and hope to catch you and that fish in the next video. So it's about a week later. I am back at the golf course that I lost that big fish. I needed a redemption. I need to get it on video. It's bugging me. So it's a lot nicer day than last time. Pretty hot and it's pretty busy out here, so it's gonna be hard to try to film and get this fish, but I'm gonna try. Just found my ball that I just teed off on, so I'm hitting my way to the hole by the pond. My audio is gonna be a little crappier today. I forgot the memory card for this, so I'm going off the built-in camera. So I'm gonna move on down these next few holes and get to where I want to be. Wish me luck. I just teed off actually from the hole that runs along the pond I want to fish. There's a lot more people than I was hoping is going to be here today. So this is going to be kind of difficult to do. I'm really hoping I can get a line in for a little bit. But I actually just tweaked my back really bad after teeing off while I was walking. So it's like really hurting to walk right now. So this really sucks because I just spent 20 bucks to golf here. And I'm probably not going to be able to finish my holes because it really hurts. I was going to sneak in here, but I didn't want to get kicked out and not be able to like come back ever. So I'm just gonna sit for a second and try to go find that big mama. Just cast around for a little bit just to kind of let my back heal. This guy hit it. Not the one I'm looking for, but it's a fish, so. Number 2. You're getting better. So I've picked off 2 so far. Not seen the big one I wanted, but they're upgrading. That last one was about 1.5 pounds, so I'm gonna try to film this next one. It's hard because people going through this hole that I'm fishing, and I don't want to be in their way. So I don't have much more time, and my back hurts. So let's get a few more. Bats.
Bass, huh? Small or largemouth you calling?
Largemouth.
Oh, okay, I'm over here.
Oh God, I did it. Oh. Yes! Look at her. It's not as big as I thought. 3-pounder, but it's the biggest one I've seen in this pond so far. I'm just really happy that I was able to come back and get her right. Oh, yes. Go back and make some babies for this place. Oh, that's bigger. Oh, holy crap. was talking about how happy I was I just caught that one. Oh my goodness. That is a good bass. This is a 3-3. I am super happy right now. I filmed that video last week and it went well. It didn't feel complete. So I knew I needed to come back and try to get that fish. But I was gonna come back the next day, but it was raining and there's no way I was taking this camera out in the rain and get it wet again. So I had to wait about a week. It's been a little more than a week right now. Let me hit the shot real quick. So as I was saying, I had to wait a little over a week to come back here, and conditions are a lot different. It's really hot, bluebird skies. It's not cloudy like it was last time. Before I even got to the pond, I tweaked my back really bad, and I thought I was gonna have to call it short, so I was kind of like, dang it, this isn't gonna work out. So I just sat for a little bit, let some people went by, and then I cast around for a little bit, caught a few small ones just to get the stink off. So I went to the spot she was, and I thought the opportunity passed because I didn't see her there. And I see these two big carp going by, and she comes out and spooks them away. So I'm like, yes! So I flipped a few times, she looked at it and ran away. And so I turned the camera off, and sure enough, she just nailed it the third cast. It was some nice closure because I was upset and it bugged me for a few days that I wasn't able to get that fish and kind of close out that video on a bigger fish. So I knew I had to come back, and I got her, and I feel great. I'm having a really good game right now. It's just a good day. And on top of that, I caught a bigger fish than the one I lost. So that last fish, I was not expecting that. It really made the video, so I'm glad I caught that one on video. Those weren't huge fish, but I mean, they're golf course pond fish. They're not known for getting big, and they look bigger than 3.5 to me, but I'm not gonna argue what the Connect scale has to say. I believe it. But regardless, those are good fish to me. And you don't hear about fish in golf courses in Eugene, let alone Oregon, very much. So I'm very happy that I was able to get those guys. But I'm on hole 7, so I'm gonna hurry up and finish my game so I can get home. Well, I hope you thoroughly enjoyed that video. I had a lot of fun filming it. I'll definitely be doing more videos like this. But with that being said, I hope to catch you and some fish in the next video. See ya.